The largest United Nations event ever held in Australia has heard the world's major powers are struggling to have an impact on global health reform. And as Emma O'Sullivan reports, a keynote speaker has told delegates at the Global Health Summit in Melbourne that Australia has much to do in its own backyard.
Delegates were serenaded and treated to an Aussie welcome. Then it was down to business. Non-government organisations are here to find ways to improve global health. They'll focus on the Millennium Development Goals, 8 targets the world leaders agreed to 10 years ago. But there's been little progress on the goals to improve the health of women and children.
Well, we're talking about the most important issues facing the world. These are the Millennium Development Goals, the goals to halve global poverty by the year 2015.
In his video message, UN Secretary-General Ban Ki-moon told delegates he wants to put their recommendations to world leaders at a summit in New York next month.
We at the United Nations not only value your activism, we depend on it.
He was supposed to be here, but last month he postponed his visit.
He does not particularly want to see his visit to Australia being any way the factor to disturb the political situation in this country.
A keynote speaker challenged whoever forms government in Australia to do a better job funding Indigenous health.
When we give aid to overseas countries, that giving of the aid is not subjected to the same legislative and bureaucratic stringencies that we have applied to us.
It's the third time the conference has been held outside New York. Emma O'Sullivan, ABC News, Melbourne.